Data science, the ultimate key to unlocking your dreams. Hello, dreamers! Welcome back to Easy Brizi, the channel that makes complex topics a breeze. Today, we're opening the door to a game changer, data science. Now, don't worry, we'll break it down to its core, ensuring it's as simple as ABC. But before we dive in, show some love by clicking that like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the bell to stay updated. Ready to unlock your dreams? Let's get started! Defining data science. Imagine you're a detective, but instead of solving crimes, you're deciphering patterns and trends from a pool of information. That's data science for you, a treasure hunt in a sea of information. Data science is like being a detective in the world of information. Why data science? The power of data. So why is this important? Well, think of data as the oil powering our digital world. From your Netflix recommendations to your GPS, data science is the magic behind it all. As data scientist Hilary Mason said, data science is about turning data into value. Components of data science. Now, how does this magic happen? There are three main ingredients: data, that's your raw material, computing power, the oven, and algorithms, the recipe. Mix it all together, and voila, you have your data science dish. Data, computing power, and algorithms are the key ingredients in the data science recipe. How does data science work? Picture this. You have a box of Lego blocks, that's your data. The building guide, that's your algorithm. And the hands that put these blocks together, that's your computing power. Data science is all about using these to create a meaningful structure. The job of the data scientist is to ask the right questions. If I ask the wrong question, I'll get the wrong answer. Gregory Piatetsky-Shapiro, data scientist. Applications of data science. From predicting weather forecasts, understanding customer behavior in businesses, to creating medical miracles, data science is the secret ingredient to turning dreams into reality. Data science helps turn dreams into reality by helping us make sense of and predict the world around us. Conclusion. So, dreamers, we've seen how data science is an exciting world of discovery, shaping our present and future. It's like holding a magical key that can unlock countless doors of opportunities. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating world in our upcoming videos. That's it for now, folks. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more. Don't forget to hit the bell to stay notified of our future videos. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring. And remember, understanding data science could be the ultimate key to unlocking your dreams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell for more videos on data science and beyond.